Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Glassdoor with your Facebook account. So let's go ahead and get started. Open your Glassdoor application and from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. In the expanded menu, tap on Update Profile on Web and it'll take you to glassdoor.com. from where you can go ahead and log into your account. In the login page, there are several options. You can continue logging in to your Glassdoor account with your Google account, Facebook account, or with your email ID. In today's video, since we're logging in with Facebook, let's tap on Continue with Facebook button. Now, it'll take you to facebook.com webpage from where you'll need to enter your mobile number or email address associated with facebook.com and also make sure to enter your Facebook password. Soon after you are done, tap on the login button and tap on Continue as your Facebook name. And soon after you are done, you'll be able to log in to your Glassdoor account with Facebook. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.